What do you answer even though it never asks you questions? Answer C. Doorbell. What can't you see that is always ahead of you? Answer C. Future. What time of day is spelled the same forwards and backwards? Answer is B. Noon. What black when it's clean and white when it's dirty? Answer is A. Chalkboard. What runs around the yard without moving? Answer is letter E. Fence. What word becomes shorter when you add two letters to it? Answer B. Shorter.
Thank you watching this video. Please do subscribe the channel for more related content. See you all in the next video.